Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at XTREME Power wireless charging pads. Compatible with QI enabled iOS and Android smartphones. To be honest with you, I don't even know what this QI is. But you get two of them. It looks like they're 5-watt output. Simply placed on pad to charge. Well, where else are you going to place it? Here it does look like they are using an Android phone. So it says QI, compatible, home, charge, Android, and iOS. You get two of them in here. So it says includes 2 wireless charging pads and 2 micro USB charging cables. I can't remember how much I paid. I think I paid like maybe $4 for this. 4 or 10. I don't remember if this one was the $4 one and this was the 10, or if this was the $4 and this was the 10. I believe this was the $4 one. When $4.99 for 2, and this was $9.99 for 1, which doesn't make any sense because you're getting 2, so you pay more. But whatever. And yeah, with these, you really gotta learn to see which one you're getting, because there's a lot of them that I was like, ooh, this one's a cheap price, and it's like, hey, it's not for your phone, it's for like iOS, an Apple phone. Like, well, ain't that just great? I don't have an Apple phone. Okay, what about this one next to it? No, it's for the Samsung Galaxy. It's like, I'm not in space, so my phone's not lost in space. So it's not doing danger, Will Watson. Your phone is lost in space. I don't have a lost galaxy. So I was like, nope. And only 2 brands I found that was like, hey, iOS. I'm like, and Android. I was like, woo, Android. That's the phone I got. So, yep. So hopefully this, does its job and pairs and charge and does whatever it's supposed to be doing with that QI technology, which I have no idea what the heck QI technology is. I know what IQ is, but QI? Nope. Well, it doesn't really have much instructions. Just, using the included USB cable, connect to a computer or a wall outlet. Confirm your device has a built-in QI receiver, or insert a QI wireless receiver before charging. Put your QI enabled device. So what? Does that mean I gotta go out and buy like a little memory type of pad thing? Does that mean I gotta buy something kind of like this and install it on my phone? I mean, like, what? So here's what they look like. That's why it's charged on there. We're just gonna open up one of these. Insert it in there. I'm gonna be using my little power block to charge things up. I guess it's charging. Cell phone. Let's see. I have it sit down there, and I do not see it charge. Come on. Yeah, I am definitely not seeing this charge. You know what I'm going to do? I am going to try and do something crazy here. I'm going to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Maybe it's under Bluetooth. Who the heck knows? Because it doesn't really say anything. Nope, it's not Bluetooth. It just says use the included USB micro cable, connect to a computer or a wall charger sold separately to enable wireless charging. But I mean, this little power bank should do the same thing. I mean, I got power on it, it's fully charged. You can see the little light was bricked in here, which is a very small light. Confirm that your device has a built-in QI receiver or install a QI wireless receiver before charging. It says if a non-QI compatible device is in use, charger may overheat. It says disable vibration feature when charging to ensure vibrations does not move the device or lose charge. Multiple QI enabled devices cannot be charged at the same time. Well, obviously, because I mean, it only has room for one. So yeah, looks like I'm going to have to go out and buy a QI little receiver in order to use this, which sucks because, let's face it, all phones should have a QI thingy built into them, which means you just have to go out and buy one of these. But yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm like sitting here and it's not doing anything. I pull it out and then if I put this in, I get confirmation it's charging now. But so that's useless to me. But yeah, that has been the unboxing of the Extreme Power wireless charging pads. Remember to hit the notification bell, subscribe button, like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.